What's the meaning of cot death? Cot death. Cot death.
Cot death. Cot death. Cot death is a term used to describe the sudden and unexpected death of an otherwise healthy infant, typically less than 1 year old, during sleep. The exact cause of these deaths is unknown, but it's believed to be related to breathing difficulties or problems with the baby's heart rate while sleeping. Unfortunately, cot death can happen to any family, regardless of socioeconomic background or parenting practices. Strict adherence to safe sleeping practices, such as back sleeping and avoiding soft bedding, can help reduce the risk of cot death.